Here are Grandpa's 34 simple yet useful car hacks nobody told you about. Use pantyhose as a temporary fan belt. When your car's fan belt breaks and you're stuck on the road, here's a clever trick Grandpa might have used. Replace it with pantyhose. The stretchy material of pantyhose is strong enough to work as a temporary fan belt, allowing you to keep the engine running until you can reach a repair shop. Remove the broken belt and wrap the pantyhose around the pulleys where the belt was, tying it securely. While it's not a long-term solution, this quick fix can help you avoid being stranded and get you to safety. Add a raw egg for radiator leaks. Use a raw egg to temporarily seal a small radiator leak. When the egg is added to the radiator, the whites cook and solidify upon contact with the hot coolant, effectively plugging tiny holes or cracks. Crack an egg and pour it into the radiator while the engine is cool. As the engine heats up, the egg will form a temporary seal, giving you enough time to drive to a mechanic for a proper repair, just like Grandpa might have done in a pinch. Instantly, cool down your car without AC. Cool down your car quickly without using the AC by utilizing air circulation. This trick works by pushing out the trapped hot air inside the vehicle. To do this, roll down one window and repeatedly open and close the opposite door. This action forces the hot air out and pulls cooler air in, rapidly lowering the temperature inside your car. It's an easy and effective way to make your car more comfortable in just seconds. Utilize a lighter and key for frozen locks. Melt ice in frozen car locks by using a lighter to heat your car key. Heating the key allows it to melt the ice inside the lock, enabling it to turn freely. To use this trick, warm the key with a lighter for a few seconds, then carefully insert it into the frozen lock. The heat from the key will thaw the ice, making it easier to unlock the door and get on with your day, even in the coldest weather. This handy tip could save you from a frustrating morning. Use bread for oil spills. Clean up small oil spills by using a slice of bread as an absorbent. Bread is highly effective at soaking up oil without spreading it further. To do this, press a piece of bread onto the oil spill and let it absorb the mess. This method is especially handy for minor spills in the garage or driveway, helping you keep the area clean and safe with minimal effort. It's a quick, effective, and surprisingly useful way to manage those little accidents. Apply rubbing alcohol on wipers. Did you know that you can improve your windshield wipers' performance by applying rubbing alcohol to them? According to Grandpa, rubbing alcohol removes dirt and grime, preventing streaks and ensuring a smoother wipe. To do this, soak a cloth in rubbing alcohol and wipe down the rubber blades of your wipers. This simple maintenance step keeps your wipers working effectively, especially in rainy or snowy conditions, ensuring better visibility while driving. Grab a squeegee for pet hair. Remove stubborn pet hair from your car seats and carpets by using a squeegee. The rubber edge of the squeegee gathers hair into clumps, making it easy to collect and dispose of. To use this hack, simply run the squeegee over the surfaces where pet hair is present. The hair will lift and gather quickly, helping you keep your car clean and free of pet fur. Try vinegar for frosted windshields. Did you know that you can prevent frost from forming on your windshield by using vinegar? Vinegar lowers the freezing point of water, making it harder for frost to form. To use this trick, mix 3 parts vinegar with 1 part water in a spray bottle and apply it to your windshield the night before a cold morning. This simple solution helps keep your windshield clear, saving you time and effort scraping off ice. Use dryer sheets to repel mice. Keep mice out of your car by placing dryer sheets inside. The strong scent of dryer sheets is unpleasant to mice, deterring them from nesting in your vehicle. To do this, tuck a few dryer sheets under the seats, in the glove compartment, and near any potential entry points. This method is a simple and effective way to protect your car from unwanted rodent guests. Clean your car's interior with a coffee filter. Use a coffee filter to easily clean your car's interior surfaces. Coffee filters are soft, lint-free, and perfect for picking up dust and dirt without scratching delicate surfaces. Simply take a dry coffee filter and wipe down your dashboard, console, and other interior areas. The filter will attract and hold onto dust, leaving your car's interior clean and streak-free. This simple and inexpensive method is an effective way to keep your car looking spotless. Use a plunger for small dents. Got a small dent in your car? A household plunger can help pop it out. The suction created by the plunger pulls the dented metal back into place without damaging the paint. To use, wet both the plunger and the dent. Then press the plunger firmly against the dented area and pull. This method is quick, cost-effective, and can save you a trip to the body shop. It's a practical solution for minor dents that Grandpa would surely approve of. Spray WD-40 for stuck spark plugs. Stuck spark plugs can be a hassle, but WD-40 makes removal easier. The lubricant penetrates and loosens rust and grime that may be causing the plugs to stick. Spray a small amount of WD-40 around the base of the spark plug. Let it sit for a few minutes and then try to remove the plug. This simple trick can save you time and frustration, ensuring that you can change your spark plugs without any unnecessary struggle. Sprinkle baking soda for battery acid. Neutralize battery acid corrosion by sprinkling baking soda on the affected areas. Baking soda's alkaline properties react with the acidic corrosion, making it easier to clean. To use this method, first disconnect the battery, then sprinkle baking soda on the corroded terminals. Add a few drops of water to activate the reaction, which will fizz as it neutralizes the acid. Once the reaction stops, scrub the area with a brush and rinse with water. This simple trick helps maintain your battery's performance and extends its life by keeping it clean. Apply WD-40 for squeaky belts. Squeaky belts can be annoying, but did you know that WD-40 can offer a quick fix? The lubricant reduces friction, silencing the squeak and allowing the belt to run smoothly. To use, spray a small amount of WD-40 directly onto the belt while the engine is off. Once applied, start the engine and let the belt run for a few minutes. This easy hack can quickly eliminate the noise and keep your belts running efficiently. Grandpa knew that WD-40 is a versatile tool for many car problems. Keep an eye on your dash indicator lights. Stay vigilant about your dash indicator lights to detect potential car issues early. These lights provide specific warnings that shouldn't be ignored. For example, the check engine light indicates a range of possible engine problems, from minor issues like a loose gas cap to more serious ones like a malfunctioning sensor. The oil pressure light warns of low oil levels or pressure, which could lead to engine damage if not addressed. The battery light signals a problem with your car's charging system, such as a failing alternator. The tire pressure monitoring system. Light alerts you to low tire pressure, which can affect handling and fuel efficiency. Understanding and promptly addressing these indicators helps maintain your car's safety and performance, preventing costly repairs down the road. Place silica gel for fog-free windows. Did you know that you can keep your car windows fog-free by placing silica gel packets inside? Silica gel absorbs moisture from the air, preventing condensation from forming on your windows. Simply place a few silica gel packets on your dashboard, in the glove compartment, or under the seats. These packets will help keep the interior of your car dry, reducing the likelihood of foggy windows during humid or cold weather. It's a simple, maintenance-free solution for clearer visibility while driving. Apply coconut oil for leather. Condition and protect your car's leather seats by applying coconut oil. Coconut oil moisturizes and revitalizes the leather, preventing it from cracking and fading. To use this method, warm a small amount of coconut oil in your hands, then gently rub it into the leather surfaces using a soft cloth. Let the oil absorb for a few minutes, then buff off any excess with a clean cloth. This natural conditioner keeps your leather seats looking supple and extends their lifespan, maintaining your car's luxurious interior. Keep baby wipes for quick cleanups. Store a pack of baby wipes in your car for quick and convenient cleanups. Baby wipes are perfect for wiping down surfaces, cleaning up spills, and refreshing your hands on the go. Keep a pack of baby wipes in your glove compartment or console. They're gentle enough to use on dashboards, seats, and even your hands, making them an essential item for maintaining a clean car interior. With baby wipes on hand, you can easily manage messes and keep your car looking tidy. Use charcoal to deodorize. Deodorize your car naturally by placing a few pieces of charcoal inside. Charcoal is highly effective at absorbing and neutralizing odors, leaving your car smelling fresh. To use this hack, place a few pieces of activated charcoal in a breathable bag or container and tuck it under a seat or in the cup holder. The charcoal will gradually absorb unpleasant smells, improving the air quality in your car. This simple, natural solution helps keep your car interior smelling clean without the need for artificial air fresheners. Try socks as wiper covers. Protect your windshield wipers during winter by using socks as covers. Socks help prevent ice from building up on the wipers, ensuring they work effectively when you need them. To do this, slip an old pair of socks over your wiper blades when parking your car for the night. In the morning, remove the socks before using the wipers. This simple trick keeps your wipers ice-free, extending their lifespan and ensuring clear visibility during cold weather. Apply nail polish for windshield cracks. Did you know that you can stop a small windshield crack from spreading by applying clear nail polish? The polish seeps into the crack, hardens, and creates a temporary seal that prevents the crack from getting worse. First, clean the area around the crack. Then carefully apply a thin layer of clear nail polish over it. Let it dry and apply a second coat if needed. While this isn't a permanent fix, it helps stabilize the crack until you can get professional repairs. Defog your car by turning on the AC. Clear foggy windows quickly by turning on your car's air conditioning. The AC works by removing moisture from the air inside your car, which helps to clear condensation from the windows. Switch on the AC and direct the airflow toward the windshield and side windows. Even if it's cold outside, the air conditioning will dehumidify the cabin, eliminating the fog and improving visibility in seconds. This trick is especially useful during humid or rainy weather when fogging is most common. Rub an onion for de-icing windshield. Did you know that you can prevent ice from forming on your windshield by rubbing it with an onion? The natural compounds in onions lower the freezing point on the glass, making it harder for ice to stick. To use this hack, cut an onion in half and rub the exposed side over your windshield the night before a cold morning. This simple car hack by Grandpa reduces the amount of ice that forms, making it easier to clear your windshield the next day. Use talcum powder to find leaks. Locate car leaks easily by using talcum powder. The powder sticks to wet areas, revealing the source of leaks in your car. To use this trick, sprinkle talcum powder around suspected leak areas such as door seals, sunroofs, or windows. After driving or during a rainstorm, check the powdered areas for signs of moisture. The powder will show exactly where the leak is coming from, making it easier to identify and fix the problem. Apply vinegar for battery corrosion. Did you know that you can remove battery corrosion effectively by applying vinegar? Grandpa said that the acidic nature of vinegar breaks down the corrosion, helping to maintain strong electrical connections and ensuring your car starts reliably. To use this hack, first disconnect the battery terminals, then soak a cloth or brush in vinegar and gently scrub the corroded areas until the buildup is dissolved. Rinse the area with water and dry thoroughly before reconnecting the terminals. This simple method extends your battery's life and keeps your car's electrical system functioning smoothly. Use a foam brush for air vents. Clean your car's air vents efficiently by using a foam brush. The soft, flexible bristles of a foam brush can easily reach into the small slats of the vents, effectively removing dust and debris that accumulate over time. To do this, lightly dampen the foam brush and gently sweep it through each vent, collecting dust as you go. Regularly cleaning the vents with a foam brush ensures better airflow, reduces allergens, and helps maintain a fresher-smelling car interior, enhancing your overall driving experience. Rub a potato to prevent fogging. Prevent your car windows from fogging by rubbing them with a potato, a hack Grandpa always does. The starch in the potato forms a thin, clear layer on the glass, which helps reduce condensation buildup. To use this trick, slice a potato in half and rub the exposed side directly onto the inside of your car windows. Allow the starch to dry, then wipe off any excess with a clean, dry cloth. This simple hack helps keep your windows clear, providing better visibility during cold or humid weather conditions. Use soda for rust removal. Remove rust from your car's metal surfaces by using soda. The carbonation and acidity in soda help to break down and dissolve rust, making it easier to clean. To use this hack, pour a small amount of soda onto a cloth or sponge, and then rub it onto the rusty area. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the soda to work on the rust. Afterward, scrub the area with the cloth and rinse with water. This simple method helps restore the appearance of metal parts and prevents further rusting. Apply duct tape for loose trim. Fix loose car trim temporarily by using duct tape. This durable tape provides a strong hold, keeping trim pieces securely in place until a permanent repair can be arranged. To use this hack, first clean the area around the loose trim to ensure a better bond. Then apply a strip of duct tape over the trim, pressing firmly to secure it. This quick and easy fix prevents further damage and keeps your car looking neat and well-maintained, helping you avoid additional repairs down the road. Use Vaseline for door seals. Protect your car's door seals from drying out and cracking by applying a thin layer of Vaseline. Vaseline helps to keep the rubber seals flexible and prevents them from sticking during cold weather. Clean the door seals with a damp cloth, then apply a small amount of Vaseline using your fingers or a cloth. Gently rub it in until the seals are coated. This simple maintenance trick prolongs the life of your door seals and keeps them in good condition. Keep sand for traction. Carry a bag of sand in your trunk during winter to help gain traction on icy or snowy roads. Sand provides extra grip when spread under your tires, helping you get unstuck in slippery conditions. To use this hack, if your car is stuck, pour sand around the drive wheels to improve traction and give your tires the grip needed to move. This simple trick is especially useful in emergencies, providing an effective way to gain traction and safely continue your journey. Place cat litter in socks for fog prevention. Prevent foggy windows by placing socks filled with cat litter on your dashboard. Cat litter absorbs moisture from the air, reducing condensation that causes fogging. To do this, fill a pair of socks with silica-based cat litter and tie the ends securely. Place the socks on your dashboard or near the windshield. The cat litter will absorb excess moisture, helping to keep your windows clear and improving visibility while driving, especially during cold or humid weather conditions. Use a toothbrush for vents. Clean your car's air vents thoroughly by using an old toothbrush. The bristles of a toothbrush are perfect for reaching into the narrow slats of air vents, effectively removing dust and dirt. Gently brush between the vent slats, loosening and collecting any debris. For better results, you can dampen the toothbrush slightly or use it dry depending on your preference. This simple and inexpensive tool keeps your car's air vents clean, ensuring better airflow and a fresher smelling interior. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.